Crypto markets are booming. Bitcoin is way up. Good way to make money, just put it into Bitcoin. But if you're looking for some bigger gains, you need to start looking at some of the altcoins. Altcoins usually function in correlation to Bitcoin, kind of like a slingshot. So these altcoins are way more volatile. When Bitcoin goes down a little bit, these altcoins drop way down. But then when Bitcoin goes up, the altcoins go up even higher. If you're looking for a 40, 50% return on your money, Bitcoin is a great place. You're not going to see any 2x's, 10x's, 100x's, at least not anytime soon with Bitcoin because the market cap is too high. But some of these altcoins with the lower market cap, you can see 4x, 10x, 100x. So and I'm always on the lookout for these altcoins. Let me know in the comments your favorite altcoin. What altcoin are you most excited about? A couple industries that I'm really excited about, though, are AI and DePIN. So DePIN is Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network, which is a mouthful, but basically it's just a way people use crypto to reward people for making their infrastructure function. So what we have with Pinlink is we've combined those two. We have AI and DePIN together. So that's definitely something that I want to take a look at. So you can think of DePIN like Airbnb, but for hardware, for computer processing power. So instead of renting out your home, you're renting out your processing power on your computer. But in the same way, Airbnb, you as a host, you get paid. If you host your hardware and allow people to use it for, in this case, for AI, they reward you for that. So when you're doing AI processing, AI is very processing heavy. You know, we just get on ChatGPT, type in a few prompts, get a few responses. But on the back end, there is a ton of computing power that's going into these AI models. And so hardware costs are becoming a real limiting factor for AI developers. It's too expensive to run the processing power needed for these complex AI things. So Pinlink is looking to solve this by allowing you and me, normal people, to rent out our processing power for much cheaper than if you went to Google or Amazon and used one of their servers. But you can use processing power on your computer that you're not using. Like I have an iMac here with 64 gigabytes of RAM, tons of processing power, and I mostly use it to go on ChatGPT. Okay, I don't need the processing power that I have. There's a lot of unused. You can't see all of this here, but I'm only using about half my CPU. I'm only using about 3/4 of my RAM. I have a lot of resources on this computer that could be used. At the same time, there's AI developers who are looking for processing power. So there's a supply and demand, and that's where DePIN comes in. Is I provide my processing power, they provide me with money. It's a good trade. So in a solid team, when you're looking at projects, you want to look at the team. What have they done before? If this is the first thing they're doing, then you want to be a little leery of that. But Lucas was the VP of engineering at Engine, which was a $1 billion company. And he worked at Intel before that. So he has the technical experience for something like this. The rest of the team has a lot of experience in AI and in GPU processing. Whenever I'm looking at a project too, I want to see who they're partnered with. Because it's one thing to have a great product, but if you can't get it out in front of people, it's not going to be successful. So Pinlink is partnered with Fetch AI, which is a very large company, and OpenSea. I'm sure you've heard of them for NFTs. So basically how this works is if you have extra GPU, that's your graphics card. If you have extra graphics card power on your computer, you connect it to the Pinlink network, and they create a digital token representing your GPU that you're contributing. AI developers then use the PIN token to pay for this processing power. You receive PIN tokens, and then there's a profit share among all the PIN token holders. So we're very early on this. When you click enter the dApp, it's coming early next quarter. So staking, and this is not even launched yet. So just be aware of that. We are very early into something like this. But the main ways I think you could take advantage of this, the easiest way is just buying the PIN token. If you don't want to mess around with connecting your GPU to the network, you're not an AI developer, you can take advantage of something like this by just buying the PIN token. Again, as people pay for processing power, the profit is shared among PIN token holders. So if you're a PIN token holder, even if you're not doing anything in the network, you're just holding the token, you will receive some money from that. So if you want to buy the PIN token, there is liquidity available on Uniswap. So you can swap your favorite tokens for the PIN token, Pinlink token. I'll leave a link to all this down below. By the way, if you're ever looking for where is liquidity, check out CoinMarketCap. It has a lot of useful information. For example, we can see today the token is down 13%, which is bittersweet, right? It's bitter because it's like, well, that's kind of concerning. But then it's also sweet because it's like, okay, we're at kind of a discount here. But CoinMarketCap, you can also see down here where there is liquidity. So you can see there was $2 million worth of volume on Uniswap. and Coinbase gives it a liquidity score. So $4.99 is good. So if you want to buy, you go to Uniswap. If you are wanting to give your GPU, stay tuned. Okay, go follow them on Twitter, hop into their Telegram. Links will all be down below. When they are fully launched, I'll probably make another video showing you how I'll probably use some of my GPU. Again, I actually use my laptop most of my time. So this iMac I have sitting here is completely unused, probably 80% of the day. And if you have something unused, you might as well be making some passive income from it. And if you're into AI development, stay tuned. This could be a cheaper way for you to do your AI development rather than going to Google or Amazon. It can save you thousands of dollars per month. So I'll leave all the links down below. Also, if you're looking for other ways to make passive income, have you thought about a mobile app? Check out my passive apps program. I am currently building 74 mobile apps for people. We have about 5 that are getting approved by the App Store right now, and I'm really excited about this. Could be a great income stream for people. So I'll leave a link to that as well. So thank you so much. God bless you all. I appreciate you. Have a great rest of your day.